at that. We're having a sink and a tap.
Let's come out. Did you grab it?
Right, we're now trying to check if the water supply works. I'm actually pretty excited about it and see how it runs. And we will have leaks, but we don't know where they hit. It's gonna be an adventure. So down here is the water supply underneath the sink, which is down here. Everything is connected so far, but the trouble is the connection up here, that bit, we think it will leak from there because that's very dodgy connected at the moment because we didn't have anything else. And we will see if that fits. If that leaks, we will have to try and get another solution to that situation. I'll show you in a sec. This one here is leaking just from the middle bit still, so we will have to fix that as well. But I think that's going to be an easy fix. This is the freshwater tank, and the water level sensor is connected here, and it's on the top in the middle here, and this is the wastewater pipe going over to the other end. You can see the grey tank there, over there. Yeah, bit of patience and it works.
Just because this thing puts such a small amount of air into it.
Right, we just brought that thing up to PSI level, 30 PSI. That's the 2-bar measurements that it's gonna run with.
This is literally just a test fitting, by the way. I'm not actually going to leave it like this. Right. Now, will it just self-prime? Or...
It shouldn't if there's no water running.
No, I mean, will it self-prime itself, or will it just do nothing? Oh, God.
Ah!
Oh, stop it, stop it. Stop it. No.
There you go.
Why is that?
Why there?
I don't know, turn tap on so it does something different.
Okay. Doesn't work.
No, it doesn't. No, it's just going to piddle all that water out that it just sucked in.
You just squeeze a towel underneath, that's why I have them there.
It's a push fit.
Yeah, and you didn't push it properly.
You did. I can't hold it and push it. Oh,
There you
no,
go.
I didn't, did I?
Uh-huh.
I really didn't. Right, should we try that again? See, once it's done that and it's got to 2-bar, then it will stop and turn
I
off.
think you have to do the red one as well, it's not just the blue.
No, it was just the blue, I'm sure. Oh, I can't fucking move. How did I just get in there? Like,
Other
seriously?
side. Alright, have another try. Water, water, water. Water, water.
Fucking leaks everywhere. Fucking sick. Where's that coming out of?
Bread, I think, because it's wall style.
Fucking that's filled that up with water already.
Oh dear. Yeah, we have quite a few leaks. Right, so we push that the red one in a bit more, the blue one in a bit more. So that one was fine. Now that one, the red one was leaking there. Push that in a bit more, spider. Hopefully that works now. Bit better. Is that leaking up there?
Yeah. More cable ties. Number 2.
It almost looked like it was behind the wall, but it probably spread from the front to the back. That one at the
Should we try it again?
at the end.
No, no, no.
Okay, leave it. Right. I'm just gonna do a quick update now. We have to stop the works to make the water running for now because we have a few leakage problems and we will have to order some other parts to fix them. I'll just quickly show you which ones we mean. So we have leakage here, which is probably an easy fix with PTFE tape. We're gonna wrap that around it and that should be sealed up then, because it's only dripping out of this bit. And yeah, water down here. So if that's fixed, that should be watertight. Then the next issue, which we thought at the beginning already, is squeeze down the back, is this. I don't know why it doesn't focus. Here we go. These two connections, which we haven't had a clue yet how we can properly connect them from the tap, hot and cold water, to the John gas pipes, hot and cold. And these ones need fixing, definitely. So I have to sit on my laptop today and figure out which parts we can get for these, because as you can see, the connectors need to be super slim, and all I've seen so far from John gas pipe connections are quite thick connectors, like the ones down here. There's no way we could fit those on there. So I might have to YouTube something to see which way we can fit two of these on there. Connection from tap to John gas pipes is going to be a task for today. And as soon as they arrive, we will fix them and then try it all again. And yeah, until then, this work stops for now. Yeah, and I forgot this one. We have to repaint that. That's not a problem. But it was spreading out of here, out of this connection. So it hasn't done it now, but it has. We will have to try this again if that leaks still. It shouldn't, because he has pushed it in a bit further now. But yeah, we'll see. if that's the last one we fix, but the main thing for now is under the sink connectors. Alright, so finally we have the water going. There we go. It's running. And I'll go underneath the sink and show you how it works. That tap we got off eBay. It's really nice. You can switch the water pressure, different styles coming down. Really nice. But I have it on this one that you just seen. I prefer that way. Really lovely to work with. For now it's just cold water since the gas is not ready yet. But the boiler is up on the wall and running already, even though it's just cold water. And here we go. So that's the tap, that's the sink, and right underneath we have the whole installation. And we start right with this. So here, right underneath is the freshwater tank installed, which this pipe comes from. This one's gonna come right from the freshwater tank up here, cold water, freshwater. This is a shut-off valve that we put in just in case if something goes wrong. We can switch this off. Now we go right next to the water filter, and the cables that are coming out here are connected to the pump. The water pump is from SureFlow. And then right next to it, connected, is the accumulator from SureFlow as well. And which you can't really see behind the wall now is the piping coming up from the cold water is coming from down here. Obviously comes the cold water, and then that goes into the boiler over the roof, like around the walls over the roof into the boiler, and the cold water goes as well with a T connection to the sink with this one, with the pipes that were with the sink tap. And the hot water comes from the roof, from the boiler down to here into the hot water connection from the tap. And these two, luckily, I found in the box from the tap that we got sent from eBay, which is amazing because we weren't sure what we're going to install, how we're going to connect the John Guest connectors with the tab. And yeah, I found this. So awesomeness. Here we go, have the connections, didn't have to measure anything, just have the connections ready there to plug in, to screw into it. And it works perfect, no leaks, no nothing. So yeah, that finally is all connected and working perfect.